Exciting July summer camp with Baby Shark. July has arrived, bringing endless fun, laughter, and unforgettable experiences for all our Baby Shark Tank children at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. July summer camp is a colorful journey of discovery where children learn, play, explore, and grow through exciting activities every day. Enjoy energetic music and dance activities. Express creativity through fun art workshops. Discover amazing science experiments. Participate in exciting physical games and challenges. Experience outdoor camping and adventure activities. Explore the fascinating world of animals and nature. Learn about colorful fruits and vegetables. Every day at school becomes a new adventure where our Baby Shark Tank children build confidence, make friends, and explore the world around them with curiosity and excitement. What exciting surprises are waiting for the children this July? Fun challenges, new friendships, valuable learning experiences, and countless joyful memories. Parents, which summer activity are you most excited about this season? Please leave a comment below and let Baby Shark know. Only at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. Baby Shark Tank, where childhood is filled with discovery, creativity, learning, and happiness every day. Let the baby come, cause the Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool belongs